Y'all still already, y'all still already in school. I just do it. He living in the windows all boarded up and stuff, but I don't know, man. They say you don't act like you got real. They say you don't act like pretty dark and they say you got doing somebody else. Wait a minute. You still paying monthly rent stuff. You might get the house redone, you might be waiting on my home.
All right, you too. They should be ready in the morning like it was when I got on this bus. That was 42 pulling off. They pull off when we got and the people, it's like a change of house.
Sit around.
You got me, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am, I have a passenger for the 42. I'm going to be turning on tomorrow.
But see, I'm a forward, so I like to stay home.
That's a 10-4. 8 to the 3 o'clock, outbound 42. You have a bus coming in to the transit. They will give me an extension.
Yeah. Ain't that going to LC?
Yeah.
So you about to leave that.
That's why
Hey, you know what? Cause somebody, a friend of mine, did that, and he had $200 bills. He came to the restaurant, he told me, and go, what they did, took the money and left the doggone wallet here and gave it to the bus driver.
3 is supposed to right behind 325.
That's it, right here, 325.
That's your 42.
We know. And I think that